Like to continue to talk about the C sharp performance of .NET reflection being slow. And I think I created a video on this about last week, which shows how you can create a delegate. You can use create delegate to get the getter and the setter and then kind of reuse it. So that's one possible way, but sometimes you may not be able to get the type, and that may not be the best option. So there is actually a library or a NuGet package you can use called FastMember. And if you are repeatedly accessing information for a particular object many times, this can be useful. So let me kind of demonstrate the use of it. So basically, I have an example class which is same as previously. It's just a number. In the class is a property called number, and I'm printing it out. And I've actually created this a list of 10 million of these objects so that we can get some data to compare. So that's pretty starting. So I will start the stopwatch. Here you can see the stopwatch is started, and I'm accessing this objects normally, basically object.number, and setting it by object.number. So this would be the normal time, and I'm printing it out so you can see the normal time to do this. The time to do using reflection is also printed, so you can have an easy comparison. Basically in reflection, for the object you can get the type, and then you can get the property, and you can put in some binder flags such as instance and public, and yeah, you get that. And from info.getValue you can get the value, and info.setValue, and it will print you the time. So to do it using this library, basically what you can do is you can find the type, and I'm in this saying example object is new my class. And if you don't know this, you can also use activator.create instance or any one of those things. But anyway, I got an example object, and what you do is you create an accessor, is basically calling this method in the library type accessor.create, and you can give the type of the objects. Example object.getType is a type. So once you have the accessor, you can use this notation of the square brackets to access it. So to read it, it would be just basically giving the object and the property number, and to setting it, it would be on the other side. And I've done this so you can kind of see this. So let me run this to show you there is some performance boost, at least on the Mac I'm running it. And here you can see with reflection it took 944 milliseconds, and with performance boosted is about half, or is much better. And your leeway will obviously vary on your machine and all that. So that's kind of nice. And actually I also want to show you quickly, if I run it in the debug mode, that this is does work. So if you look at the my class list, the first one has a value of 0, the second has a value of 1, and this has a value of 12, and so on. So yeah, I think this can be an option for you if you are trying to improve your performance when you use reflection in C#. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.